Let's roll to see who goes first.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Cory, by now I have loved you for over a decade. You have seen the depths of my heart and the furthest corners of my mind. So thank you for sharing your soul with me. Today I am so ready to become your wife and continue loving you through the end of time. When you invited me over for the first time at 22, neither one of us had any thought that we would have such a deep conversation, which resulted in me crying in your arms that night. But since then, I have found comfort in you. This love we share is one that we've built together through many phases of our lives over the last 10 years. Our story has not been about perfection, but we have an undeniable connection that nourishes us. We've embraced our imperfections and actively choose each other each day, through the ups and downs, while we grow into better versions of ourselves over time. A quote that has stuck with me is, "It's a great thing to be loved, but it's profound to be understood." So thank you for loving me and for understanding me. Not only did you have to learn to love me, but Jace too, and I'm so thankful for the relationship that you two have. My yellow is you, Jace, and Lincoln. You mean everything to me. You're my grounding force and my compass. You are the reason I laugh every day. You are my rock and my light, my strength and my weakness, my all-in-one. So instead of writing a new list of commitments, today I vow to continue being your partner, best friend, and teammate, just with the title upgrade. So with that, I vow to annoy you and challenge you, to be the emotion to your logic. I vow to love you for you. I vow to show you that I cherish you and give you my full self. I vow to be loyal and to dedicate my all to this marriage, to always seek your guidance and the comfort that it brings. I vow to always learn and grow with you. I vow to explore with you, do nothing on the couch with you, and everything in between. I vow to live life with you, whatever it brings. And I vow to keep choosing you each day for as long as we both shall live and thereafter. I swear it by the old gods and the new. It's you and me, babe, and always will be, on this day and every tomorrow, in good times and in bad, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, in the past and for forever. You are my favorite person. My kind of perfect. I love you.
Lindy. Chance united our souls. We met over 10 years ago. Our first time hanging out, we had a deep conversation. That conversation blossomed into a deep connection. I fell in love with your self-determination and caring nature. I also fell in love with a very special little boy. Perseverance fused our souls. Through many trials and tribulations, we continually fought for each other, strengthening our bond with each test. This ceremony immortalizes our souls. This very moment acts as a symbol of our never-ending commitment and promise of our presence and efforts for all to come in the rest of our living days. Knowing this, I vow to change only in the name of progress, as I will become a more refined version of myself. I vow to make every attempt to learn and understand you as you grow and change, while supporting your transformations. I vow to be your rock that keeps you grounded, to share the burden of your strife when it becomes too much to bear. I vow to protect you and our families in any and every way. I vow to cherish each moment we share together as if it were our last. I vow to share my food and drink, however begrudgingly. I vow to always have a second jacket for you. I vow to make an attempt to endure your cold feet on me at night. And I vow to always pretend to lock you out of the car and house just to keep you on your toes. I vow to choose you today and every day for the rest of my life. I believe the strong passion that each of us possesses is the fuel for a long and happy relationship. You test me a lot in life, and I know that it's helped me grow as a man, so thank you. You bring the balance I need to my world, making me better day by day. Love is the only solid truth that anything can be built upon. I choose to continue to build with you. You may not be perfect, but you're perfect for me, and I love you too.
Do you promise to love me without restrictions, without hesitation, to accept me just as I am, supporting me through the life experiences, and sharing the joys of choosing one another for as long as our souls are united?
I do.
With this ring, I wed thee.
Do you promise to love me without restrictions, without hesitation, to accept me just as I am, supporting me through life experiences, and to share in the joys of choosing one another for as long as our souls are united?
I do.
With this ring, I wed thee.